The iPad Pro is really a little bit too big of an iPad to be holding with one hand. Some of you guys might remember that back in the day, Steve and I made a video on an iPad Pro. Now, we finally got a case for that iPad Pro so that we could use that iPad one-handedly. And the problem is you want to hold it with one hand and do something with the other hand, like say the Apple Pencil or something like that, without dropping it and worrying about it. That is one reason why we got this case right here, the Gladius Pro 129. That's for the 12.9-inch iPad. This case has a leather band on the back of it where you can slip your hand inside of it and be able to use your iPad one-handed.
So it also has a 360-degree swivel so that you can have it in your hand in any orientation that you want. And since the kickstand is on that might allow you to have the iPad in any orientation, you know, that you would like to. And this also looks like it has a bottle opener on it. So that's kind of interesting.
It does look like a bottle opener. It
Yeah,
doesn't
looks
say
just
that
like
it is, but I'm gonna test that out and see if it can open up the bottle. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it and see what we got. You got a knife, Tyler?
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. He's not allowed to use the knife yet.
I'm not promoted yet.
There you are. Thank you. Lifts right out of there. Ooh, blue.
Instructions.
Yeah, get those
Look at
out.
that.
That's
Nothing
a little
interesting.
hard to get out. Okay. It's a little hard to
Come
get
on,
out.
Mike.
Oh my gosh, it's like sticking to it.
Rip it. It's like a present.
Yeah. Wow, does it have a screen protector on it too?
Yeah, it looks like it must if it's got this. Yeah, it does. It's got a screen protector.
Wow.
That's really nice.
Wow, it's all built into it.
Gee.
And oh my gosh. How do you open this?
Oh, here we go.
You got it? You got it? Okay.
There we go.
Oh, good. Oh no.
Edges are a little hard.
Don't break it. We don't need our first broken product here.
Wow, those corners are really on there.
Jeez,
There you go. You can
that
try the
is
rest.
just.
You can see how
I
hard.
don't know. That is just. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is really on there. There's no accidental it coming out of this case.
No, it's not coming out.
That is very intentional. Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Whoa.
We need an iPad to try out. Where on earth could we find an iPad, Tyler? Right there! Okay. Let's shove that big boy in here.
Well, I noticed here that it's got like the rubber
shell
on the bottom, yeah. So it's kind of like a shell and then the rubber casing on the outside of it.
Wow, I don't. Okay, go ahead and get that guy.
Let's see if we can get it in here.
Now we get the screen on top. Oh, wait. Almost made a rookie mistake there.
Oh, yeah.
It takes a little bit to figure out, but if you read the instructions, it might tell you. Okay, I think that's all snapped in there. Let's go ahead and get the rubber back on. Jeez. You are definitely not slipping this on and off.
Well, when you have a device this big, you really got to make sure you protect it because it's very easy to mishandle and drop.
Yes, it is.
Come on, Mike, you got it.
Yeah.
He's going to get it eventually.
Yeah.
All right.
Woo!
Okay. Break time.
Break time.
Let's see if this thing can open a beer.
Okay. Well, I feel like I'm gonna break this. And hey!
Wow!
It opened the beer.
Multi-purpose case right there.
Hey, cheers. Well, okay, we cracked that problem.
All right, so it does hold it up very nicely, even in the.
Oh wow, look at that. It's supported pretty well. It's not gonna tip over or fall.
It's pretty sturdy, yeah.
Let's go ahead and swivel that. How do you swivel that? Oh, it's got some
little
presets.
clicks. Yeah.
Look, it stops here.
I don't think you would be holding your. Oh,
Why would you? Yeah, that is weird. But I mean, you could totally do it.
That's funny. I didn't think that would work like that.
Okay, there we go. Now we got that whole. That orientation's really nice as well. That's probably the main way you'd stack your iPad.
Yeah.
I would imagine. You know, it's pretty sturdy. That's a nice. This stand here is nice and metal. I figured it would be plastic.
Yeah,
I thought for sure we were gonna snap it in half when I first saw that picture. But
it's even got like a what is that not grip? Oh, that's not grip, is it?
no, that's not a grip. Oh, that is a grip.
Oh, it is a grip.
Oh, that is a.
It's even got a grip on there.
Wow. Now let's go ahead and test out the hand function here. Let's see. Ooh, that's comfy. That is leather too.
Yeah.
That is nice. So I got it in one hand. Feels a little awkward. Oh, I see. You might want that click to hold it straight because your hand holds it crooked.
Yeah.
That's why you'd want that.
That's interesting.
Oh, so
Look at that.
otherwise, hold it like this and it's weird, or like this and that's weird.
That's interesting.
That was
yeah.
smart. Bummer if you scratch or ruin that protector,
Yeah,
you're gonna have to buy a whole
gotta
new
buy a whole new
case. Ooh, didn't think of that.
Yeah.
Here, go ahead and try that out.
Wow, that is really nice. Very
Yeah,
natural.
that is
yeah.
nice.
Yeah, so I can see how that would be a little awkward to try to
Yeah,
use it like
hurt
that.
your wrist too or something, you know?
This you could, if you're close by, it would work pretty decently, but that 45 there is pretty good.
That seems to be the optimal.
Yeah, for you holding it in your
for you
hand.
holding it.
Yeah.
I get why they have that now.
Especially if you're gonna draw while you're walking, or if you want to sit down, go to the park or something, you can hold it and draw really easily.
Or even I manage sound over at the church on that.
Yeah.
And to run the soundboard, I can just hold that in one hand and just move through with a pencil and adjust all the volumes I need to get at, all the different equalizations. And
Yeah.
I could see using this big time with that one-handed feature, you know? I'm always fumbling around with an iPad. It's not even the full iPad Pro at that. I do like the cutouts they have for all the sensors.
This bump was a little weird.
Is it stuck like that?
Yes, that's how it's stuck. It's kind of interesting, but I guess in some sense you can feel really easily which way is which. You know, then you know that where the bump is where you got to put your finger.
Yeah,
Lock it,
or where
yeah.
the charger is as
Yeah.
well. Because right here it's got this charger port flap that you can open up. It has another flap here for your headphone jack.
Oh yeah, there
Yeah,
you
it
go.
covers that up real nice. You don't get all the dust in there.
Another big thing with these are, you know, the buttons, whether they're easy to press or whether they press themselves sometimes. Let's go ahead and give that a shot here. I'll hit the power button. It's not horrible.
It's not too hard.
Yeah, it's a little hard, but you know, it's protection, so.
How about the volume buttons?
So the volume buttons, they work really well. Those are really nice. They feel really good.
Do they?
Give this
Here,
a
let me
shot,
try
yeah.
that out. Oh wow, that is actually not too bad.
Yeah.
Some cases they're very, very hard to press that button, or some other cases are too easy where they press into the button. Now you're
Yes.
getting these accidental inputs that you really don't want. The power button I can see could be a little bit easier to press. It is a wee bit hard, but other than that, I think overall this is a great case. It's got nice
Yes.
protection out of this. I won't feel worried about dropping it and breaking it.
I had a Samsung tablet and it had the same kind of case as this, and I've dropped it quite a few times. I've never had any problems with it. It was very durable and it had a screen protector like this in it. I got quite a few scratches on it, but it still works really well.
I think this is a really great case. They thought over every detail about it. The way it's at 45 degrees when it's in your hand, the way the ports are covered, the buttons work pretty darn well.
This case is on Amazon for just under $45, which seems like a really good deal for what it can do. It protects the whole case. You get a handle and a stand that you can put wherever you want, really. Plus you get an awesome bottle opener.
Yeah. Sneaky guys over there at Trent, man.
Yes. So if you guys are interested in it, we'll have a link down in the description. If you guys have any other cases that you like or that are kind of like this, let us know. If you get this one, let us know what you think of it too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.